Conducting tissue of human heart. Human heart is myogenic in its nature. The human heart initiate the impulses, and these impulses brings about the contraction of cardiac muscle. And this generation of impulses is takes place from the human heart without any nervous stimulus. So only the human heart is also called as autorhythmic. Auto means by itself, rhythm, any of the event which is takes place after particular time duration. Here in the case of human heart you can observe the heart shows contraction as well as the relaxation, means one cardiac cycle is get completed in a 0.8 second, and this thing is get repeated continuously after 0.8 second, so is called as an rhythm, and human heart is autorhythmic. This autorhythmic nature to the human heart is given by specialized cardiac muscle, and these specialized cardiac muscle are called as nodal tissue. In the case of nodal tissue, there are four different types of nodal tissue in the form of SA node, AV node, bundle of His, and Purkinje's fibers. This one, here, this one is a conducting system of human heart. In this conducting system of human heart, clearly you can observe the four different nodal tissue. Out of that, first one, SA node. SA node is also called as sino-auricular node. This sino-auricular node is present in what? It is present into the right auricle. At the opening of superior vena cava, just below the opening of superior vena cava, this one is an location of a SA node. SA node is also called as sino-auricular node, is also called as pacemaker. Why pacemaker? Because it generates the impulses for contraction, and all those impulses are get spread on the wall of cardiac muscle, heart muscle, which result in the contraction of human heart. Then second one, that it is in the presence of auriculoventricular node. This auriculoventricular node is also present into the right auricle, but towards the interauricular septum. This is a second nodal tissue called as an auriculoventricular node. This auriculoventricular node is also called as a pace setter, because this AV node receives the impulses from SA node. First we have discussed the SA node who generate the impulse. Once the impulses are generated, those impulses get spread on the wall of auricle. This one, it is an left auricle. The impulses are generated from the right auricle, and those impulses get spread on the wall of a auricle. At the same time, impulses are received by the AV node from what? SA node. And now the auriculoventricular node. This auriculoventricular node receives the impulse from SA node and transmit those impulses towards the bundle of His. This auriculoventricular node is present in what? Right auricle, at the interatrial septum. Now, third nodal tissue called as a bundle of His. This bundle of His or Tavara is located on interventricular septum. Here you can observe this one, it is on a left bundle of His branch, and this one it is on a right branch of the bundle of His. This left and right branch of the bundle of His gets spread on the wall of a ventricle. What is the role of bundle of His? Bundle of His receives the impulse from AV node and transmit those impulses on the wall of a ventricle with the help of Purkinje's fibers. This Purkinje's fiber get arise from the right and left bundle of His and get spread on the wall of what? Ventricle. So fourth nodal tissue is an Purkinje's fiber. This Purkinje's fiber get arise from the bundle of His. So nodal tissue of human heart shows SA node, AV node, bundle of His and Purkinje's fibers. Out of that, if we observe, mainly the bundle of His and Purkinje's fiber are responsible for spreading of impulse on the wall of a ventricle, which result in the contraction of ventricle.